Hello kids, welcome back to Little English Clan with Esora. Today we are going to learn about the simple present tense. Are you ready? Let's go! Simple present tense tells us about things we do every day, habits, or facts. For example, I eat breakfast every morning. The sun rises in the east. I go to school every day. The structure is easy. Subject plus verb plus object. Subject means who or what does the action, and it means the person, animal, or thing who do or does the work. Example, I, she, he, it, we, they, the cat, the boy like that. Verb means the action word. It means what we are doing. Example, eat, play, read, run. Object means the thing or person that the action happens to. Example, cake, football, book, bowl. Let's make sentences using the structure. I eat cake. In this sentence, I is the subject, eat is the verb, and cake is the object. She plays football. She is the subject. Plays is the verb, and football is the object. Now we will see some examples for better understanding. I play football. She reads a book. They sing songs. Remember, with he, she, it, we add s to the verb. He plays football. She reads books. It rains in winter. Let's see more fun examples. I like ice cream. We go to school. My cat sleeps a lot. The earth goes around the sun. Now, it's activity time. Can you fill in the blanks? Answer, she drinks milk every day. Answer, they play in the park. Answer, the dog barks loudly. Great job, kids. So kids, remember, use simple present for daily habits and facts. You did amazing today. See you in next video. Subscribe for more videos.